Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of the 2019 Boston Whaler 240 Dauntless. This boat is powered by Mercury Verado 300 horsepower. This boat is also, the hull color is light blue. As we enter the boat, you'll see the transom rear back seats. These easily come out and fishing rods can go in. As we come through the boat, you have an adjustable backrest on the helm seat, tilt wheel steering, fusion stereo with Bluetooth, compass, also plug-ins USB for the stereo as well. This boat does have the hardtop with the light blue color underneath, netting for storage. As we come around, have a big console, does have a head inside. Up front, plenty of bow seating with flip up backrest. That concludes the walkthrough of the 2019 Boston Whaler 240 Dauntless. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.